This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a memorable name and a preferred TLD. This affects price and discoverability. Once you have backups, search availability at a registrar. Make sure to confirm there are no trademark conflicts because disputes can cost time and money. Next, create or sign into a registrar account and add your billing method and accurate admin contact. These details are required for Whois and renewal notices. Now run the domain search and move to the checkout step when your top choice is available. You should compare registrars for total cost and support. Renewal rates and transfer policies matter more than the promo price. Once you pick one, add Whois privacy if you want to hide personal details and enable domain lock to prevent unauthorized transfers. Then set name servers, either the registrars or your hosting providers, and prepare the DNS records you'll need. A records for the website, MX for email, and TXT for verification and SBF. Make sure to save any auth codes if you plan to. You finish the purchase and immediately verify your registrant email to activate the domain. Some registrars suspend domains that aren't verified. Once active, add DNS records and point name servers to your host, then test propagation with dig or lookup tools. Expect up to 48 hours, but often much faster. Configure SSL/TLS through your host or Acme provider. If something goes wrong, check Whois for correct contacts. Ensure the domain isn't locked, confirm TTLs, and retrieve the auth code for transfers. That usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.